Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this unknown 52-inch ceiling fan which is in my bedroom. Now if anybody knows who maybe makes this fan, you can post it in the comments below and I would gladly put it in the title above. But anyways, here is the light on the fan. So of course preheat, because it has to be. Because I want it to be. But here's low. Medium. And high. And off. Let's turn on these lights one more time. That's amazing. This one has a problem. The starter's bad. So there you have it. My 52-inch unknown ceiling fan in my bedroom. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.